Today I'm going to show you the 3 ways headband styles with the Verde accessories. Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do 3 headbands hairstyles with the Verde accessories. So first we're going to have our headbands, and then if you like, you can pre-curls your hair a little bit, give more texture and more volume. So what I'm going to do is, like, because I have some bands, I'm going to leave it out this side a little bit too. And just in case I might mix them up, so I use a clip to hold it. And then you can wear headbands. And I only leave the bands out, put all the hair behind the headbands. And then take away the clip. To adjust a little bit for the style. And then this is a really easy way to wear your headbands. So I'm gonna show the second one. So it's all based on the first style. It's really easy. You can do a high ponytail or a high bun. Everything is like already set, and you can use your hand to go a little higher. And in this case, you need some scrunchies or like elastics. So put it up a little bit higher. And here you are. And headband is really good, can just support your baby hairs and your frizz from the back, so you don't have to put like extra bobby pins or like hairspray on it. Okay, so the third one I'm gonna do is a little low back, really a little fancy style with the headbands. So I'm gonna take off this, and then also it's gonna be different way of wearing it. So you're gonna just put everything not too low, and then I'm gonna show you the back. So around like this area, you don't take your hair out. And then I'm gonna take from each side, I'm gonna do a section to go through the hair bands to make sure it's attaching for your hair. And then I'm gonna take one from here. The middle and take another side. Take one more. Now what you're gonna do is like hold everything together and twist it. The ends inside here, and you can adjust them a little bit. Subscribe for more tutorials and check the products below.